welcome back. 5 simple home workout exercises that you can do using just one simple stick like this. Or if you are a martial artist, you are also having this at home. This is a traditional bow. Actually, the exercises that I am going to show you is Kobudo martial art exercises which you can do using a bow, but it can also be done with this. So let us see 5 simple body weight exercises that will work your whole upper body out. Now in these exercises we are having push-ups, pull-ups and abdominal exercises. You can do it with this, but since I have this, it will look good in a video, I think, so I will use this. Very simple. Number 1, use a stick over here, catch it over here like a knuckle push-up and get going. 1, 2. Now if you feel uncomfortable while doing it on the floor, you can use a yoga mat or anything like this. So exercise number 2, it is very simple. The hand on the side of the stick over here will come facing towards the body and the opposite one facing outside over here like this. And you have to stand straight. Ready? 1. Now these are martial art workout routines. So if you cannot do this in first attempt, don't worry. Just trying to do these exercises will increase your fitness level. So exercise number 3 we have over here is quite difficult. But you can see over here, you can have a mat over here like this so that you get good grip. Over here we are going to place the stick like this. And one fist is going to face towards the floor and the other one is going to face you. And it should be done like a push-up over here. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Of course, these can be done in both directions like this. 1, 2, 3. Now we did exercises that will strengthen your core, your chest muscles, your arms. These are martial art workouts. So it is a holistic level workout. Whole body and strength can be developed at the same time, flexibility. So this exercise that we have is going to strengthen your back over here. You need 2 chairs like this. These are sofa chairs. You can get a chair, any chair. You should use this, a cloth over here so that the stick won't roll and fall off. It won't slip. But since it is already having good grips over here, I am not using any such thing. So all we are going to do is, we are going to do like an assisted pull-up over here. In an assisted pull-up, you have to use your feet. You have to use your heels over there, and in an opposite push-up position you have to stand, just to assure you that no stick is going to break. Even if you use a broomstick, even if you use a weak stick like this. This is a very weak stick, you see, it is already bended. See, it is almost broke from here. But if you use the correct technique, nothing like this will break. It is simple physics. You have to hold it over here just on the edges, and you have to get a grip correct over here. So when you get a grip over there correctly, it won't break. Now I weigh almost 70 kgs. I'm a fat boy. So even a small weak stick won't break. See? I'll get into the details of the exercise later. But see, even a weak stick like this does not break because the grip and the holding is correct. So it can easily be broken. See, this was the stick. Now getting into the exercises, you have to use a strong stick over here like this. You have to make sure that the level you use, where you grip, is going to come straight on your chest. See? It should be like this. Like, body should be straight. Don't lie down over here like this. You should be on your heels like this. Correct on your heels. And adjust the chairs so that it is exact at the same level. See? Now, get up and 1, 2, 3, 4. See, this is where you have to end. This is the finishing position. Over here, like this. That's 2, 3, 4. You can even change your grips. If you change your grips over here, the concentration of the exercise will move from back muscles to these lateral muscles. Over here like this. Again we can do it. 1, if this is the grip. The pull-up grip and the chin grip. This is a chin-up grip. 1, 2, 3, Now we all know this exercise. This is a simple exercise everybody does, and even the crunches, you all have done this. To make it more difficult and to bring it in a martial arts level, we are going to use a stick. Even this can be used over here like this. Same straight come down. Over here, this is the last exercise we'll be doing. One, and from here you can even use your fingers to hold it if you are not very flexible like me. Over here like this. One, yes, slow, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold it properly. 1, 2, 3. Yes, that will give you an iron stomach like this. Yeah. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe and press that bell icon.